This conference will now be recorded.
Two, three girls are unable to log in. So, who is that? Prabhujita, she didn't log in. Hipasha, she didn't log in still. Sharvani, you are logged in, okay? Yukti Sharma, she didn't come. Yukti Sharma, she didn't come. Janani Selvam, yeah, she is also not there. Three girls are missing. Janani Selvam also missing. Archana KP, she's there. Lavanya Agarwal, she's there. Okay. Noor, Noor is missing. Okay. Next, Sadia is there. Okay. Four girls are missing. Vipasha, Prabhujita. Okay. All are there. Sadia, Sadia, nice work, Sadia.
Thank,
Okay. So
thank you,
you
ma'am.
tried Oral B, BBC, and SDFC Bank. Okay. Lavanya Agrawal. Okay. Lavanya Agrawal also tried. What is this? I'm not getting. What is this T logo? Lavanya? F is there Facebook. What is this T logo? And what about this A logo? You have created any of your own? Lavanya, you can leave message in the chat box. If unable to speak means you can leave message in the chat box. I just want to know what are these two logos, T logo and A logo. I am unable to understand. Okay. So we'll go to the Corel Draw. So if we have to remove this guidance, okay, yesterday what happened, we taken the rulers and so we added the lines here. Okay, so we have to go to the view and there is an option here, rulers. Okay, so I want only the rulers, but I don't want these lines. Okay, it is disturbing me a lot. So I'll go to here view and there is options called guidelines. Okay, I will remove this. Now whenever you want, you can add the guidelines here. Okay, so view, we have an options called guidelines. Okay, so here itself you have to write this option. Okay, next, we will go to the tools called here in the polygonal lasso tool. Sorry, polygonal tool. We have all these options are there: basic shapes, arrow shapes, flowchart shapes, banner shapes, and call out shapes. Why we are using these shapes? Please write down these options who are coming for the second class or third class who are not written all these options. Please write it down, these options: basic shapes, arrow shapes, flowchart shapes, banner shapes, and call out shapes. Because maybe in some systems some of the tools are missing, that's why I'm telling you people to write these options. Basic shapes, here it is there inside the polygon tool. New version, what is happening in the new version, so it may be separated, these shapes are separated and this polygonal star complex and both are separated. So this is there in different tool and this is there with the different tool. One versions little bit changes, there is functions are same only the small changes are happened. Okay, it may be separated from this tool. Okay, now we'll go to the basic shapes. Here when we click on this basic shapes, here we will get different option in the property window. Okay, here perfect shape. Okay, we will have these many shapes. Why we are using these shapes? Anybody know this? I will select one shape and I will make it like this. What kind of shape it is? Anybody have any idea? Please unmute yourself and you should talk. Anybody? Why we are using this tool? I will go to the shape tool and there is a small point over here. I will make it. The sizes will be there. I will take it like this and I will select the options like this, and I will go to here and I will just remove the outline. So whatever the tools we are doing, any logo designs, anything, you have to remove the outline. If it is necessary, then only you have to give it. Okay. So these are the symbols. So where we are using these symbols to make the any kind of signboards. Signboards means what? No parking boards, U-turns. Okay. Any of the signboards like shopping cart. Okay. Male and female toilet symbol. Otherwise, what is handicapped people? They should walk in this route. Okay. So many of the symbols are there. So those are the symbols we have to make it. Okay. So kilometer limitness and those things are there. No parking, all those things, two-wheeler, four-wheeler parking, any of the symbols we have to make. Everything it is possible in the Corel Draw. So we have to use, these are the symbols we have to make it. These are the signboards. Okay. If you'll go to any state, if you don't know the language, you can survive because of this signboard. Okay. So because of the signboard you will able to see, like, okay, whether we have to go this side, that side, route map, everything it is possible. Hmm? So just add some text. Okay. Now if I want to send it back this text, okay, right click on this. There is options called order to back of layer. So okay, to back of layer I can send. Otherwise again right click on the text, you can uh, order to front of layer. There is a front of page and all is there. You have to give it to front of layer. Okay. So you have to make it like to back of layer and to front of layer. Okay. So like that. So we have different options are there. What I have to do now? Control G for group. So I will group it. I will make it small. If I'm not able to group it, means what happens if I'm not able to group and I will make it, I'll not make it small. So then we have a problem here. I will show you people. Mm, okay, object, group, ungroup. Okay, I'll just make it ungroup and I will select it like this, and you have to both the things from the left click you have to select it. Okay. Okay. Otherwise you have to press shift and you have to select it both the things. Then you have to go to here, object, then there is option called group object. Okay. So both the things you can make it small like this. Okay. So sometime what happened if it is not selected properly, if it is not grouped means, so you will face a problem. Okay. So and one more option is that if you go to here window. Okay, in window we have multiple options are there. Okay. So if anybody system, if any of the options are not displaying, for example color, okay, color palettes, those of the options which are not displaying means you have to go to here window. You can go to that color palettes here, color palette. You can select this option color palette. Already it is opened here, default palette. So this is the default palette. So we have already default palette is there. Please write it down these options. Color palette, if you go to the color palette and you can select whatever the color palette we have. Separate CMYK palette is there, RGB palette is there. Okay. We have other color options are there. These are the options we are not using. Yes, what happened? All are present. Priyanka, yes. Janani, Archana, Dibasha, okay. And Prabhujita, she is not okay. What is this? Ajio and Tumblr, ma'am. Lavanya, what is this? Yes, Priyanka. Yes, ma'am. To everyone. Okay. Okay. You are able to see my screen, right? Everybody? Pooja show.
Yes,
Archana
ma'am.
KP.
The screen, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So you have to create a small signboards like this. So we will go to the color palette. If we'll go to the window, there is a color palette. So we have to use default color palette means we are using CMYK colors. Okay, CMYK palette is the default palette. Okay, so this is a default palette. We can give default palette only. So we'll give this default palette. Automatically it will come. Okay, there is a option here. You can bring it here. Okay, you can bring it here. Can you see there is an option that four arrows will come? So wherever you want, you can place it. You want here down. Let us see. It will come here in the down itself. Otherwise, you can place it here also. Okay, here also you can place it nicely. You can see the colors. Okay. So next we will go to the tool. In that only basic shapes. Okay. We have multiple shapes like this. Okay. We have a rectangle shape, and this is the shape. I will keep it here, and there is a point over here. We can increase and we can decrease the size of this. Any of the logos we want, some of the things we have to create. Okay, so that time we can use it this tool. Okay, so this is the thing, and we will go to basic shapes. In that only we have this ambulance symbol. Okay, we'll go to plus mark ambulance sorry doctor mark symbol. Actually we have to on the medicine bottle or anywhere we have to make this kind of stickers. Okay, so that time we can use this symbol. Okay, so if I'll add the white color means what happened, so it will be like this only, outline will be there. Okay, you can add the text for that. So if I'll use the shape tool, and I can reduce the size of this. Otherwise you can make it thick like this. Okay, so then I will go to the shape tool, and here we have a the smiley mark is there. Okay, I'll go to the shape tool, and wherever you have these buttons, you can make it like this. Okay, any of the option. Let me check whether we can apply the color. Yes, you can apply the color. You can make it like this. Okay, you can increase the thickness of the outline. So how much ever you want, you can increase the thickness of the outline. Like that we have. So we can use it, these shapes in where we can use it. These are the shapes we can see it in the comic books. Okay, in the comic books we can see this kind of the shapes. Go to the shape tool. Hit it. Control D, and so try with this tool. These are the very simple options only. So, Pooja Ashok, you are not sended me any assignment till now. Pooja Ashok, you are sended me any assignment? Message me. If you are unable to talk means message me in the chat box. Priyanka S, did you sended me any assignment? Yes, Priyanka S not sended me any assignment. Priyanka yes not sended me any assignment. Archana KP. Archana KP.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am. I sent it
Archana.
yesterday.
Yes. Archana, I saw. It. Okay. Archana, you are sended me the assignment. Archana, you should do little perfection in that work. Okay. Yesterday, what I teased that Olympic logo and some of the options I have told you people, right? That Domino's pizza
Yes, ma'am.
and all. So those curve shapes and all you have to add, and you have to use the rulers. Okay.
Okay,
You
ma'am.
have to add the ruler. Ruler is very important part in Coral Draw. And Jisha, you are not sending me any assignment. Jisha, are you there? Priyanka, yes, no. Priyanka, when you send me, maybe you are attending after 2 classes. Okay, I will send it today. Okay. And what about Jisha? Okay. Please, anyway, you people are getting Ronika. Share yesterday's recording for reference. Okay. Please, Ronika, message me in the group. So by the time you will get the video. Okay. Mhm. Anyway, Saturday, Sunday, you people are having holiday, no? So please, by the time finish whatever the assignment is that. Okay. So you have to make some of the signboards. Okay. So here, whatever the works I did, I am keeping all the things in the page one, page two, like that. I'm keeping all the words, all the works. Okay. So why I will tell you why you have to keep all this in different this thing. Okay. So I will go to here. There is an option called arrow shapes. Okay, where we are using this arrow shapes? Anybody? Where we are using what kind of signboards? We can see the arrow marks
To give
in this
direction,
kind of.
ma'am.
Yes, where?
Directions.
Yes, directions. So mainly in the signals. Okay, in the signals we can use the arrow marks. Okay, so any of the box if you take any of the place if you see here. Okay, so it will tell. So any kilometers you can write it inside this only. Otherwise in front of this you can place a small arrow mark and okay 5 kilometers, 10 kilometers, 500 kilometers who are coming from the Bombay or Delhi. 100 kilometers, 500. Okay. In the signboard it will be like this only or what? Anybody? I'm not watched so from so many days signboards. is this? Arrow shapes. Okay. So like this, any places down, it will be not there, down, up. Any direction you can go. Okay. Any direction you can go like this. Any of the direction go up. So I will, you can go any direction. Okay, same text whenever you are doing any because next and all you people have to do the poster design, pamphlet design. So that time you have to follow the, if in one sheet you have all this works, all the text in the same sheet, means you have to follow the same kind of this thing. Look at here, we have, suppose if it is, how much it is, this is 12, so the same text size we have to give. So okay, oh, it is 73.863. 73.863. Okay, the same text you have to give. Again, you have to use a ruler everywhere. So just check. So I already hided the ruler. I'll give guidelines here like this. We have to use it like this. Otherwise, we have to take the new file and we have to do it. Otherwise, the same ruler we can use it for here also. So where is the starting point and all? So this is the, okay. So the same what we have to use a ruler. So like this, suppose I want to give any background for this, what I should do? If I have to use any background for this, so I have to take the box. So I will take the rectangle box and I will give some color for this, any color, light color I will give. Now what happened? So the texts are behind this box. So what I have to do? I have to send this box to backside. So right click on this. There is an option called order to back of layer. Okay. So now what happened? This box went back. Okay. So like this. So this box went back. So like this. So you have to make the signboards like this. Okay. Okay. See, whenever you people are doing this file, so what you have to do after finishing everything, you have to save the file. File save as in the format of Corel Draw. Okay, I'm unable to save it. Do you want to cancel? File save as, sorry, not file save as, you people are saving in the Corel Draw format. Now what I'm doing, file export. Export means, so now I have to save these files are in output format. Input format is what? Corel Draw format is the input format. Output format is JPG format, PNG format, uh, a PDF format, and these are the output format of the Corel Draw. So if I'll do export, okay, please write it down these options. Please write it down this option. If I have to use means I have to off my internet. If you have to write this one, file export, you have to use file export and you will get an option called PDF format. So you have to save it in the file format of PDF options. So if you use the PDF options, then you can see all the files together. See all the files you want to see. Suppose you were using 10 pages, 20 pages, 30 pages like that. So all the works you have to see together means you have to save it in the format of PDF format. Otherwise, you have to save the file in one single file means you can save it in a JPG format or PNG format. Okay. So now suppose people are making a book designs, otherwise any pamphlet work, poster designs, otherwise magazines designs, all those things it is covering minimum 10 pages, 20 pages, 15 pages will be there. Okay, so that time we have to make a copy of that means we have to save the files, we have to see all the files together. So that's why we have to use the file export. Please try in your system. You will get an option here, file export. File export, if you click on the file export, then in the down there is an option will come, that is PDF format and JPG format and PNG format you will get. And the Illustrator also you can save it. Okay, Illustrator is a different software. Okay, it will support that software also, but you have to save it in the format of PDF. In the PDF you can see all the files together, all the pages, all different pages, it will come together itself. Please try it in your system. Then we'll go to the arrow shapes. Okay, so you people know all the different arrows are here. Okay, we have a different arrows are here. So we have different arrows. So like this we have different arrows are there. You can check all these options and we have to make the signboard design. Okay, next we will go to the different tool, that is the flow chart shapes. Okay, we have, these are the flow chart designs. Anybody having any flow chart works in any of your software? Anybody is using flowchart designing here? Nobody having the flowchart designs? Nobody is using, right, flowchart designing and all? Okay, nobody is answering me. So I will go to the flowchart designs. So we have some of the flowchart designs are there. So mainly we are using this flowchart designing in the company. Any of the project we have to make the presentation of that project. So that time we are using the flowchart designs. Any presentation like how the company growth is happening. So all these things we have to show it to the project itself. So that time we are using the flowchart designs. When you are using the flowchart designs, we have to use the connectors. Connector means I will take this flowchart designs. Okay. So I will give different color. So you can type inside this, you can type some text over here. Okay, some text, 20% profit, something like that. So okay, some of the things what we are typing here, so we have to use a connector. Can you see anybody here? Straight line connector, right angle connector, rounded right angle connectors. So these are the connectors, these are the connector which are there for mainly for the flow chart designs. These are the connectors mainly for the flow chart designs. Okay, so why we have to use this connector? So I will click on this straight line connector. See, can you see there is a point over here? So you can go to here to here. Otherwise this connector, anything you can, it is not usable for other things, only you can connect it for one of this box to another box. So like that you can connect it from one box to another box. Like this we have to use the connector. See, like this you can use the connector. Otherwise we have one more connector is here, that is right angle connector. Okay, right angle connector means you have to take the box like this, and see, it is taking automatically. So if I take it like this, it will take like this. If I go like this, it will go like this. So automatically it will connect it from one place to another place automatically. And here again we have to connect from, oh, it is taking it to down. Okay, it is going here. So like this. So what is the options? Please write it down, this option: right line connector, right angle connector, rounded right angle connector. First you have to draw the flowchart designs. You cannot draw any polygon or any circle. It is working only with the flowchart connector, flowchart designs only it will work. So this is exclusively they are given only for the flow charts. So mainly we are using for e-learning projects. Okay, what is e-learning projects? Anybody having any idea? Please answer me, where we can use this flow chart designs. In my class you should talk. Please unmute and talk. Ronika, where we can use this flow chart designs? What kind of projects we can use it? Prapujita, and Priyanka, Janani. Anybody can answer. Sadia, anywhere, like what kind of project we can use it? Okay, nobody don't know. Okay, so we have to show the company sales. Any of the company sales which are we have to show the up and downs. And more than that we have to show the we have to do any rural project, any rural rural areas we have to show any new things which is released. Okay, they are not able to understand, so that time we can use the flowchart design and we can show it, like this is the process, like how it is going from here to next product, is like any of the plans, any of the insurance plans and all we have to show it. So that time if you invest this much and you will get a in the 10 months you will get the profit like this. So that is the options and all you can show it with the flowchart designs. So this is applicable only for the flowcharts. Write it down: straight line connector, right angle connector, rounded right angle connector, and edit anchor. Maybe in the new version some of the systems are not there. Please check it out, all this option. Okay, so like this. So what I will do, I will select this line, and can you see here arrow mark? So there is a arrow marks is there, so you can show it like this. So you can increase the thickness of the outline. See, it has become more now. So I'll just give one, or any of the lesser size I'll give it. So any of the things you have to give the arrow marks here. So you can show it, it is the next step like this. Okay, you have to go here, from here to here the product is going. So if you'll buy it here, and you will get a returns here, and again after 5 years you have to invest this much. So this is the investment plans and all we can use it. Okay, so and you can use a different pattern also. You can select things, and we'll have an arrow mark. So like this, if you're not able to investment, again you will get a 10% loss, something like that. Okay, So that is the final this thing. Okay, you can click on here and you can use the options. Next one is rounded right angle connector. So rounded right angle connectors, again we can use it for this, otherwise any of this. Okay, this is a rounded right angle connector, otherwise you can use it, any of the connection was not there for this, so I'll use it for this. Okay, so rounded, this is a rounded right angle connector. Okay, so I will change the designs and I'll increase the thickness of the outline. Any of the marks you can use it. Okay, any of the arrow marks, so you can give the arrow marks in the both the side. It is not like only one side only you have to give it, but there is no meaning for that. If you give arrow mark from both the side, at least you should tell from where to it is going for where. So at least, so both the side, if you don't want the arrow mark, click on here like this option, you can select it. Okay, one side arrow mark went now, only other side only arrow mark is there. Okay, so to create a flowchart design, so mainly we are using the these connectors. Okay, so this connector we can use it, straight line connector, right angle connector, rounded right angle connector. Next we'll go to the edit anchor. Okay, so it is not applying for this, I will select it and I'll check. I will go to here. No, we cannot add anchor points for this. When we are taking the curve shapes, so that time we can use the edit anchor points. Okay, so all the shapes, everything, whatever the works I did, I'm keeping in a different page. Okay, next we will go to this one, banner shapes, where we can use the banner shape. Here, if we click on this property window, so we have different types of banner shapes. Where we can use these banner shapes? Anybody? Nobody's talking in my class. Very silent class. My class is very silent. So what is the problem? Ronica? Anybody can answer? Sharvani? Then how I'll get to know you people are there in the class? Archana KP is arrived now. Okay. Archana, what happened? You are so lately arriving. Archana KP, there are two Archana KPs are there. Okay. Lavanya Agarwal, Ronica, tell me why we are using this tool. Anybody can talk. Nobody have the answer. To make the certificate design. So to make the certificate designs, I'll make this the certificate design. So I'll write it here 2020 21. Okay. So again, I'll give some color for this. What color it will be? Certificate. If you want to remove outline, you can remove it. It will be like this. So see, this kind of this thing, we need a outline. So otherwise it won't look nice. So what kind of certificate? Any sport. Okay. Oral draw. Otherwise any of the sports, anything you can keep it like this. Subject. Okay. See, now you want to make the design of this certificate. How you will make the design of the certificate? I don't want the same certificate with the simple designs and all. Okay. See, I want to make the design of the certificate. So whatever the tools I am teaching on, in that itself I am making the certificate designs. So what I'll do, I will go to the basic shapes. There we have some options like this. So I will take the designs. Done. See, Control D, and there is option here flip. Nobody use the flip options. Okay, so like this you can make a design of this. So you can take whatever the design I have teached you people here using the shape tool. You can use those designs here. See, those shapes, you cannot create any shapes because I'm not teached you people curve shapes and all. So whatever the designs I have, in that only you have to make the certificate design. So you can use the arrow marks. See, suppose you want double designs like this means Control D, and I'll give some other color. In this only I want some other color, light color. So I'll right click on this order to back of layer. I will send it back. Order to back of layer. Okay. Some lightly the shadow. So certificate always it will look, it is not having multiple colors. So you can use it like this. Same thing, Control D. Just give the same color to order back of layer. So like that only you can make your own designs. You can make your own designs. Okay. So otherwise you can take it like this, Control D. Let me check whether we can do it or not. Flip. One option. For this we have to do the changes of this. Everything we have to do the changes. That time we have to remove this. So we have to keep it here. Only one side only we have to make it. So if we are making something like this, so this will be helpful when you're doing the project work. So that time we can use this option. Okay. Any of the dark color also you can use it. Control D, in that again light color. So that's why they given in one tool only, they're given multiple shadings to back of layer. Now you want to make the background. Again you have to take the box and you have to give some light color and right click on this order to back of layer. Okay, in that again you want the light color. See, it is not there in the color palette. The same color I want it, light color means you have to go to here down. Okay, bucket tool, this is a paint tool, fill tool. Okay, in that only I will select the light color. I will select the light color and just be okay. So just remove the outline. Okay, so then you will get the light color. This thing I will reduce the size of this text. Any sports also you can add it. What kind of sports? Pick. Spelling is correct. Sports certificate. Better not to Corel. Let it be Corel. You people are Corel student only, no? So like this, we can do it. Okay, so for everything, see, whenever doing any designs, I have not taken any sizes here. It is there in the A4 size only. See, if I click on anywhere here, so you can see the size here, A4 size. You can click anywhere here, you can see the A4 size. If you click here only, it will tell the size of this box. Click outside, otherwise click here, it will show the A4 size. Okay, and then you can type here name, name, like this. You can make it some more nice designs. You can make it. I'm not followed any certificate. Just whatever mind it is coming in mind, I'm doing that. You can take the reference of that certificate. See, it is coming down like this. Name, we are certified, certified to name so and so, certified with disqualifications. Right. Otherwise, you can use many of the shapes which is not which is having the lines. Okay, we don't have any lines here, so you have to use the whatever the typing tools only, we have to use it. Okay, so this person is certified with this thing. Okay, so no need to write the names and everything, not necessary. Just you can type. Okay, please refer some of the things. Okay, please refer. See, like this, any designs you have to make it means cut designs you can make it. Okay, so but main thing is more than this letters, we need the designs. Everybody should do the different designs when you're doing the certificate designs. Please do the different designs, because take a different subject. maybe sports having different kind of certificate will be there. uh, any graduations you are doing different kind of this in certifications. When you are doing any kind of certification, so that time the certificate will be different. Sports certificate will be different. Any cultural activity you people are doing any competition, that certificate will be different. So just check different certificate designs and make your own design. Don't copy the same thing. Try to do some changes in the certificate, and try to do the use whatever the tools I have teached. Okay, use whatever the tools I have teached. Using that you can do the designs. Okay, suppose if I use this one, which tool I'll use this one. I'll make this none. I'll make this control D, and I will go for the little darker shade. I'll send. Now I will show you people what is the problem we are facing now here. Okay, see now what is the problem. I have to send this image back of this. So right click on this, order to back of layer. Now what is the problem? So here, see where it went back of this. So it went back of this layer. Okay, the background whatever I taken, it went back of that. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to click on here again. I will give again here right order to front of layer. Again what it is happened, it is come front of this. So full day it will become like this only, front and back. So what we should do, let me check what we can do. So if I want this color, you have to select this color, order to front of layer. Okay, somehow it is okay. So like this only you have to do. There is no much options over there. So I will click on this. Okay. So like that. Again I will make so many circles. Okay. Again I have to go to the right click on this, order to back of layer. So now what happened? It went back of this. So what I should do, I want to send this background layer. See this background layer, I need to send out back of this yellow color. Okay, so this background, I cannot make this only front, back, front or something like this. Okay, so what I will do, I will select this sky blue color, this background, this one, right click on this, order to back of layer. See everybody, you people should all these options. Okay, when you people will submit me the assignment, then only I will get to know. So you people are did the you people are tried for this. Okay, so what I'm saying, everybody should do the assignment. Everybody should submit me the assignment, then only I will get to know. So whoever not did the logo designing, some of the students they did logo designing, but there is no perfection in that. Means you have to work on that some more. You have to work, because yesterday whatever the tools I have tested, that curve options, those things and all, every day I will give the assignment. So workload of the assignment will increase. So that's why what you people have to do, you have to do every day assignment. Okay, so what exactly I'm making. So now the shape is coming out here. So what shape I want, I want only this shape only, only this much only I want. I don't want this rest of the shapes and all. Okay, so what I will do, I will go to the crop tool. Can you see here there is options called crop tool. Yesterday I told you people this is the crop tool. So I will select this much area. Now I want only this much area only. How much ever am doing the designs, I want this much only. Enter. So now what happened? Rest of the part which are not necessary, it went outside. So it is deleted. So whatever the how much ever area I want, only that area only it is visible. Okay, so that is the use of the crop tool. Okay, now it is there, fully it is there, fully it is there. So what I have to do, how much ever you want you can crop it. Okay, please write down the tools. Okay, you have to use the crop tool. I'll come back again when we are doing the visiting card designs, so that time I will teach you people about the crop tool and all. Okay, anybody having any doubt to make the certificate designs? Ronica, Daphne, Dipasha, Prapujita, anybody having any doubt? Lavanya. Okay, so what kind of certificate you want to do, Ronica? Daphne, what kind of certificate? Anybody? Nobody having any doubts.
No, ma'am, we don't have any doubts.
Hmm? Sharvani? Sharvani, is it your first class? Sharvani?
Ma'am, she is facing a mic issue, ma'am.
Who is facing? Janani?
No, ma'am, Shravani is facing a mic issue, so she's not able to unmute and speak, and this is not her first class, ma'am. She's
Okay, okay,
attending from
okay.
3-4 days.
Okay, Janani, okay, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, anybody facing any problem, please in the chat box message me. Okay, you can message it, right? You can message me here. Just add the lines. Okay, some designs you can type it and you can do the designing. Okay. So here I want to tell you people one more option. There is an option here. So when you are taking the new different pages, we'll go to here file new. So we can take how many pages we want, number of pages 10, 20, so many pages we can take it here. Like that we have to go to the here. We have an options called layout. Inside that we have an option insert page, duplicate page and rename page, delete page. Okay, please write down all these options. Layout, inside that insert page, duplicate page, rename page, delete page and go to page. Insert page, duplicate page, rename page and delete page. So these are the options when you are doing the, so if you have taken one single file, suppose if you have taken file new, I'll make it one. Okay, I'm taking only one file here. So I don't have any number of pages, is one only. Okay, so suppose you have to go to here layout, insert page, you can come there. Number of pages I want 5, so I will give 5 pages here. And it is asking what is the size of the page, so you can give what kind of page size you want. I want A4, otherwise any other size you want, you can make it here. So take any of the size, web banner size. I'll just give horizontal or vertical. They'll just give okay. See, this is the web banner size actually. Okay. So I will go to file new. I will okay. This is a web banner. All are coming in a different sizes. It is coming here. Okay, you can select here and you can change the size. You can change it to A4 size. Everything it is changing in the A4 size only. So everything which is changing in the A4 size. Okay, so here you can do the changes of the horizontal and vertical. Otherwise, if you want to increase the pages, okay, can you see here plus mark? So you can select here however pages you want, you can select here how many pages you want, you can add those many pages there. Okay, and if you want to go to, and you have to delete the pages. So how many pages you want to delete? I want to delete 5 pages. Okay, is that deleted? If it is not deleted, right click on this again, whatever the pages you have. So right click on this, there is an option here again, insert page, duplicate page and delete page. See, delete page, right click on this, delete page, right click on this, delete page. So delete page, so how much ever pages you don't want, that time you can use the delete page. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to go to the layout. Please write it down all these options. Insert page, duplicate page, rename page and delete page. And the same option which is available here also. Okay. Right click on this. There is options called rename page. Rename page. So suppose any logo designing, logo 1. Huh? Okay, so like this is the renaming the page. Right click on this, there is option called renaming any logo, suppose Benz logo. Okay, you can write that name of that logo. Okay, so like that you can do the changes of this. Okay, so here I'm renaming it. Right click on this, rename page as certificate. So I'm renaming the page. Okay, so like that I'm making the page different. Again, I'll make it here, rename this play page flowchart. Okay, so like that we have multiple pages are there. This is the shapes. Okay, logo, all these things you can create it. Okay, so next class, you people have to do the certificate designs. Okay, any of the certificate design you can refer it. I am not referred any of the certificates, so I just did like that only. So there is a arrow mark here. So arrow mark, it will go to the end of the page. Suppose if it is a pages book is there means, so you have to go to the 100 page, last page, that time you can use this one. And then you have to go to the first page, so it will go to the first page, this mark. Okay, so step by step you have to go to one by one means you can use this option one by one. See, back of this and front of this. Okay, step by step you can go for the pages. You can use any of the shapes, otherwise you can use the borders for this. Suppose if you want to use the borders also, you can use it. Okay, and any of the designs you have to use it. Okay, so I am doing everything with the basic shapes. I'm not went any of the advanced shapes till now. So I am doing all the things, logo designing with the basic shapes, certificate designing with the basic shapes. Next class I will do the visiting card designs with the basic shapes. Next we will use for the curves and so those things. So that time we can use the advanced logo designing, advanced certificate designs. But I want from everybody assignment. So many of the student, I'm not getting the assignments till now, and whoever did who are did till now, so please make that assignment perfect, the Domino's logos, any of the logos you did. And what you people, I told yesterday, please whatever the logo designing I teased yesterday, which kind of logo designing I did the Olympic logo, Benz logo, then that Mitsubishi logo, correct? So you have to work on that, whatever the logo I teach, please work on the same logo. Because I told you people to, I teach you people the easy method. So easy method, these are the easy symbols to create a logo. So this is also one logo. Tell you what it is, I think it is a channel logo. I'll select it like this, Control D, flip, rotate. If you want to make it little upper, select it like this, and see, you just increase it how much ever you want, just increase it, the same thing. So you have to delete it, and you have to take the copy of this, and you have to use the flip options. So try to use whatever the options, the small options are very important. uh, Back page, front page, go to page, those things are very important. That is the logo of the channel. This is the logo of the channel. So maybe thickness will be increasing for this, 5 I will give, otherwise let us see if I'll give 10, to become too fat. So like that, very simple logo it is, channel logo. Okay, like that. But if you do small work also, that work should be perfect. BMW logo we have to make. Okay, next class we will do the BMW logo. Again, we have to go to the logo design. First, I want a very simple, perfect logo from you people. So all are not submitted the logo designing properly. So I want for the next class certificate design also. Okay, so like this we can do the changes of this design, and I will go to the shape tool, and how much ever you want you can do the design like this. And if you want to make it light color more, and double click on this light color, and you can reduce the size of this. Okay, reduce the color. Okay, any of the designs you can make it, any of the tools you can use it. Next, banner shapes. In that only we have different kinds of banner shapes are there. See, this is the one different type of banner shape. And see, we are using these shapes when we are doing the poster designs and all. So we have to add some offers, sale. Okay, any of the sale is going on. So that time I will type the text here, sale, white color text. Ari, going on, sale, correct? So this is the thing, offers, dhamaka, Diwali Dhamaka offer. Okay, so they will use this kind of symbols, correct? So that time they will use this kind of the symbol. Any of the, all depends upon what kind of offer they are giving. So that time you can use this kind of symbol. So next we have banner shape. Okay, in that all these shapes are there. Again, certificate designs, you can make it with this only. You can have the certificate designs. Okay, so these are the different shapes. Next I will go to the options called call out shapes. So call out shapes, where we can see mainly in the comic books. Okay, call out shapes mainly we can see in the comics book. So call out shapes, these are the call out shapes. So mainly we can use it in the comic books. Okay, so you can see in the comic book there is a story will be here. Hi Jack, what are you doing? Something will be there. Okay, I am fine. So he didn't come to school yesterday. So these are the messages will be there. Okay, this person is saying to the other person, something like that. Okay, so like this, the call out shapes. These are the call out shapes. Okay, so these are the call out shapes. We can use it in the comic books. Okay, any offers also you can mention it. Any of the things you have to product. We have the features. Suppose if you buy the Samsung mobile, you have these are the features. Okay, so like that, 2 GB RAM. Okay, any of the things that we have, memory card, those any options you have there, those are the things you have to mention. It means, so that time you can use the call out shapes. Okay, please check it out, these options. Please write it down. Any of the students who are using the Corel Draw, sometime it will be not visible, these shapes. It will be there with the other tool. Maybe it will be there in the inside this crop tool. Okay, please check it out. This option, these two options are separated. Okay. So anybody having any doubt in the class? Anybody? All are present. Sadia, all are present.
No.
Please, who
Yes,
are
ma'am. All are
till,
present.
Yes, ma'am.
till the class, end of the class, who are present, please message me here in the
Yes,
chat
ma'am.
box. Yes. Okay. Please message me. I want to check who are there in the class, because I want to take the attendance of the class. So message me. Yes, who are there till end class. Okay, so what you people have to do the assignment, you have to create the certificate design. Okay, any of the certificate design, no problem. It is not like you have to create something which is related to our subject. No, any of the certificate designs you can create it. And please add me in the message me in the WhatsApp group. And you have to submit me the logo designs properly. Okay, who are not did the logo designs till now, and who are not did the logo designs properly, please use what are the options I teach. I used rulers, positions, rotations, all those options, colors, everything, scaling guidelines. Okay, so please do it. Okay, another two classes you have the basic tools. Afterwards, I will not come back for the basic tools. I will go to the advanced tools. So that time you have to learn the advanced shapes, curve shapes and all you will get. So that time logo design is totally different. Okay, so that's why in the curve shapes, when I'm teaching the curve shapes, so that time you have to use the you have to do the Apple logo, Twitter logo, those kind of logo designing you have to do. So please perfect with the basic tools first. Okay, anybody having any doubt? Shall I end the class?
Yes, ma'am.